The goal of this screencast is to demonstrate the VSO platform and to describe its functionality. The level of school education in Ukraine varies greatly depending on the region and distance from major cities. The difference has become even more apparent since the pandemic. In order to ensure the minimum standards of school education from 2020, the Ministry of Education and Science of Ukraine launched the VSO platform. The core training courses or master courses of all academic disciplines for secondary school from the 5th till 11th grades have been placed on the platform for public access. The platform provides distance and blended learning for students of all these grades. The purpose of online school is to provide free, equal, and easy access to high-quality learning content. The master courses were checked and recommended by the Ministry, fully complying with the state school curriculum. Courses are divided into topics and lessons. A standard lesson has a video, synopsis, often with interactive elements, and a small test. Any child can register on the platform as a learner, complete training, and see their progress. The platform was created on the basis of the world-famous OpenEdX LMS optimized for high loads, and a mobile application has also been developed. Most importantly, the platform has an additional unique role: a teacher. The uniqueness is that the teacher can copy any course of the platform in his or her personal account and invite the students to this course. Let's do it together. The teacher just needs to open his or her personal account, select the grade, let's go with the 6th one, select the subject, English language, and select the course name. Click Ready and wait for your course to be copied. After the copying completed, you can see your course in this tab. Here is it, English language, the 6th grade. This gives our teachers the opportunity to form classes, add or remove students. To add your student, you just need to provide their email address in this field and click Register or Unenroll from the course. To form the classes, go on this tab, enable the checkbox and click Add a class. The teacher has also an ability to keep the journal by clicking this button. On our test course, we have only one learner, it's me and my grades. If the teacher wants to see the progress of one specific student, he or she needs to provide the student's email address in this field and click button Show Progress Page. It looks like this. The teacher can also lead the forums on different topics and moderate the discussions. Since the beginning of active hostilities, the majority of children in Ukraine have switched to distance learning, and this is often accompanied by the movement of children abroad or to safer regions of Ukraine. Since the 24th of February 2022, the number of platform users has grown from 35,000 to more than 480,000. The Google Analytics module was installed on the platform as well. It allows us to monitor the activity of various roles of the platform in terms of countries, regions, age, and gender indicators. They developed methodological support for the teachers on the use of the VSO platform for blended or distance learning have been translated into 13 languages. As Ukrainian children are now being cared by teachers from many countries of Europe, they can still continue their studies on the Ukrainian program on the VSO platform. In order to effectively use the resources of the platform, a separate TVET microsite is now hosted on VSO platform, since the structure and organization of the high school and professional education are very close.